So I'm filming this through Bubbles' cage. Ignore the washing machine in the background. But he is going into his hide, and this is just so cool to see if you have not seen a snake move their muscles before. You can see how the scales move underneath. It's actually lifting up the top of his hide there. But it's been taking a while. He's been doing this for like 2 or 3 minutes, and I was like, I need to film this just to show how snakes move. I mean, he's just taking his time going to his house. Look, the top of it's moving now. But their muscles are so strong, and yet snakes are so delicate at the same time. Uh-oh, house is going sideways now. But he will nest up under there, and now his hide is over his heat pad. And then on the other side is the cool side where his water is. And yep, he's bumping up against the glass there. So his hide is actually really big enough for him. He's just kind of moving his body in a way that's knocking it up. But this is pretty cool if you haven't seen. There's a better view. If you haven't seen them use their muscles before. It's got that gorgeous ball python patterning. Yeah, the hide has gone back down flat as he's relaxing his there you are, baby. Hi. Oh, what'd you do? Oh, look at you. You're gorgeous. Look at those heat pits. Gorgeous. So basically he just wanted his body to be in there, and now he's going to take his time coming out. He's moving a lot faster this time, actually. Fantastic. Stunning. Where are you, Bubs? Buddy. Here's his muscles again. Snakes are incredible. Oh, that little tail. So cute. Oh, no, he's moving his whole house. We keep our snakes, a lot of them, not all of them, it's a lot of them on paper towels. And we learned this from some experts that we filmed with over the years. This way it keeps their house clean. You can check for mites, make sure they're not getting any infections or anything like that, or have mites in there. It's easy to clean, much easier than substrate. That way then you don't risk getting substrate in their mouth. So this is pretty typical for reptile owners who want to make sure their snakes are nice and healthy and clean. Right, Bubs? Oh, see ya. It's a man on the move.